what is up everyone? Sheblord back at it again with another vid. So today we are gonna be unboxing my new NERF gun. It's really big. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. And I'm probably gonna use this from the last video yesterday, you guys remember? If you haven't watched it yet, watch it. It's gonna be really cool. But now this has a wrapper. This has a wrapper, and look what I bought. Yes! Oh, this NERF gun is so big, and I forgot the name, but it took very long. It took like 6 or 5 days, and I was like waiting, and I wanted to review it for you guys. For, content, so you guys don't get bored and unsubscribe. I'm sorry guys, so let's get started. So let's get cutting this bad boy up. Oh! We'll see. I'm already cutting it like a beast. So, let me do this. Oh, there. I'm straight up cutting it. I don't know what I'm saying. I get weird sometimes, but it's fine. I can't I can't do this. Okay, there. Okay guys, be careful from scissors because they're very sharp, obviously. And I'm just saying to you guys, or if you guys like get injured by this, just please be careful. Don't follow anything I do. Just follow my reviewings, that's all. I don't know what I'm saying. Like, honestly, just unbox this box because I am hella excited. Wow. I might as well keep the box because the box looks very cool. Now, okay, I have to like do this. That's just my tita. She's just like checking on me. So don't worry, guys. Oh my gosh, I already see it. I already see it. So as you know, you can see. Oh wait, sorry. So as you can see right here, you can see the back of the box, and this is the front of the box. It's covered. It's literally covered, and I have to take it out. That's the annoying part. Why do I have to take it out? You could have just put a box, but you could have just like done it easy, but it's fine. I'm not gonna argue with that. At least I have the NERF gun. Ow, that hurts. Oh, what fudge? This hurts. My fingers are like getting red. Okay, now my fingers are getting red. I see the NERF gun. I see it. Okay, wait. Come on. I want to see it. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my. So this is the receipt. And look at the gun. Oh. Whoa. So let's unbox this thing. What? So first, we're gonna start by cutting it. By cutting the strings. The string in front. You do this. There's 2 strings. Oh my gosh! Guys, this is so cool. Where's the darts? Oh, I found the darts. There's the dart compartment. There we go. The alpha darts. This is like Spanish or Mexican. See, look. Look at the language. See? It's like Spanish or something. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh! So there's a, like, how do you call this again? Wait, let me just sit. Okay, so, wow, the box is very big and the barrel looks very cool. See? And it doesn't have any, is this even a real scope? Like, look. Is it even a real scope? I like the prying thing back here. It took like 5 days and I'm not disappointed. I am hella happy. Whoa, see? This is so big and look, grip. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to like, share and comment. And like and comment and subscribe for the next video. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.